Hello everyone, welcome to SoMuchTech channel. Using an iPad with a pen or your fingers is not exactly the most efficient way if you want to get some work done, especially if your job involves a lot of writing. And that's where a keyboard case comes in. To maximize efficiency, you're going to need a kickstand to hold the iPad instead of holding it yourself, a good keyboard so that you can type faster, and a trackpad. All of this can be found in the Wiwu Combo Touch keyboard case, which we will be reviewing today. Wiwu is a company specializing in hardware and accessories. They've been established in 2011, and since then had great products that aim to be a user favorite. That's why we're going to demonstrate how great of a product this is, especially considering its price tag. So let's start with unboxing the product. We have some standard packaging here, nothing too fancy, since this is not very fragile, and we'd also have some basic information in the back. Upon opening the box, we can clearly see the case and a USB Type-C cable that's needed for charging. Now, let's move on to unpacking the case itself. Upon opening it, we can find some papers and a booklet to guide you through getting everything set up. In addition to that, we have some camera lens protectors, which we will talk about in detail later on this review. And finally, here is the keyboard case in all of its glory. It's filled with ports and has a solid build, all of which we'll talk about in detail later on the review. Now let's talk about some general design elements which make this case stand out. It's made out of a very durable silicone material that has a very grippy denim-like texture to it, which is very comfortable to hold, while offering a reliable protection for your device, especially on the corners, which has an extra thick padding. And on top of that, the case comes with two camera lens protectors for newer and older editions of the iPad Pro, which you can install on the inside of the case. The case also offers two Apple Pen slots, one for charging and another for holding it. You also don't have to worry about button slots or even the fingerprint sensor that's on top, because it's designed with all of that in mind, meaning you can use the case with older and newer editions of the iPad Pro. Other than that, it can charge via a fast Type-C charging port, which can charge for 2 hours for 15 days in standby, thanks to its 500 mAh battery. Following the design, let's continue the review by talking about each element of this keyboard case individually, starting with the keyboard itself. First of all, let's walk you through how you can connect it to the iPad. You first need to toggle the switch that's located on the right side to on, and then you'll notice a few indicators turn on and off. After that, the keyboard working indicator will turn on as well. Next, press the FN and Bluetooth pairing buttons to enter pairing mode, and that's it. All you have to do now is find the keyboard on your device and connect to it. Now that the keyboard is connected, let's talk about some features. First, it has a full row of iPadOS shortcut keys that provide one-tap access to a variety of controls that perform these functions. Back to homepage, brightness control, search, take screenshot, etc. This keyboard is also easily detachable and has strong magnetic absorption, so you can reattach it easily afterwards. And lastly, we have the 7-color backlight. You can choose between blue, yellow, baby blue, purple, white, green, and red. All you need to do to switch between them is push the key with the light bulb icon. That's it for the keyboard. Let's move on to the trackpad. It's a large click anywhere trackpad with a very roomy 50mm by 84mm space. It has the usual left and right click buttons, while still allowing you to use the entire surface to work. Now let's talk about the kickstand. It's highly adjustable with 50 degrees of adjustable viewing angles. It is flush with the iPad, so all you have to do is to pull it out via its tiny bending corner, and then you can control it as you wish, and use the tiny corner to stabilize the stand on your surface. It's very rigid, so you can adjust it exactly how you want it, and it will stay in place. By detaching the keyboard from the iPad, you can enjoy watching short on YouTube or TikTok in vertical mode. In conclusion, the Wiwu Combo Touch keyboard case is a game changer for iPad users seeking enhanced productivity. Its durable design, comprehensive keyboard with shortcut keys, responsive trackpad, and versatile kickstand make it a standout accessory. Whether you're working on documents, browsing, or enjoying multimedia, this case has you covered. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth and comprehensive reviews.